Showing white in my camera, but it is blood red color, right, reddish orange. We're down at the Salmon River. We come down to go salmon fishing, but it's really windy down here. And we were just talking to a buddy of ours. He's just returning from another Salmon River. He said he rose one and lost one. He said other than that, there's not much down in the rivers, and there's nobody down here fishing either. I guess there's not much in the rivers right now. Probably will be later on. And as you look down, you can't really see any fish in the water. Usually this river is right full of salmon fishers. See anybody. Oh, you have to wait till another day to come down and see if we can do some fishing. Plus there's people over on the other side. Yeah, there's people on the other side swimming. Okay, we left the Salmon River. There's no salmon out there. There's a lot of people out there swimming in the river, so there's no salmon around. So we decided to go to the beach. We're down on the beach and it's really nice and hot, no wind, really nice. Come down here for a walk and just to relax. Break my neck. Kind of foggy over that way, but I think it's just haze from the heat. We're just walking along the beach, and these big concrete foundations are here. I'm assuming there was a wharf here a long time ago. Must have been way before my time, because I don't remember seeing the wharf. I remember seeing the concrete pieces, because I was in school here. The school is just over the top of that hill, and at recess time we used to go to the hill and look down here all the time. And I don't remember seeing that wharf. I remember seeing all the concrete foundations. There's more on the other side of this embankment. Some hot down here today. It's nice though, so relaxing being down here. Very warm, quiet. Just the ocean and the birds are out. Their saloon. It's coming in closer to shore. Gone again, underwater. We're trying to catch him on film, but when he goes under, we walk up further towards him, but he keeps moving down further from us. See a big line coming out of the sky? It looks almost like a water spout. See the big line coming out of the sky, guys? It looks like a water spout, but it's not dark enough. It's starting to light right up. But it's weird how the cloud looks like a water spout coming right down from the clouds to the ocean. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't tell. There's such a glare on my camera. And there's loads of these. I have no idea what they are. See those black little pod things on top of the stick? There's loads of them around here. There's a couple over there. We're way down at the other end of the beach. We come from way up there. And we're up by the big rocks. Somebody got pots out there. Just watch. See in the water, you can see like pop bottles floating, and it's the whole way up you can see them. It's all connected to one line, so I guess that's where their pot lines is too. I'm assuming that's maybe crab pots, maybe. Nice, warm, relaxing day. Now I'll zoom out. There you go. I'll try to get some fishing videos for you guys soon. We went down to the river, didn't see any salmon at all. But we'll be going out soon. We'll get some salmon fishing videos and some trout fishing in it for you guys as soon as we can.